Wait. Okay, we just hold on. I'm just checking the points here. I'm not too clued up with these things. Let's just check this thing quickly. Alright, let's wait. Okay, go. Okay, leave it. Okay, a little bit. Okay, well, don't rev it like that. Huh? Yeah, don't worry about that. Okay, wait, let's switch it off. Okay, let's do it again quickly without using petrol. Let's see.
This.
Yeah. Okay, alright, leave.